Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Ma'al Farhan, ID 119 5011 3431. Meet again with me on Farhan channel. But in this video, I will briefly explain how to use the Kinemaster application for beginners who likes and is interested in art, video, and editors of all kinds. Nowadays, being able to edit video into quality videos doesn't have to be difficult and complicated. You want to know how? Here are tips and tricks on how to use the Kinemaster application for beginners on Android. Check it out. Now that we have entered the Kinemaster application display, the box on the right is the result of the video that you previously edited. For the video, you can edit again. Then, to create a new project, you just click on the left side, like this, and select the aspect ratio according to what you need. For example, I chose 16:9. Then, first of all, I will explain a little about the interface or display on the Kinemaster. We start from the left. There is a function for undo, redo, and others. Then in the middle, there is a large screen for review the video that you are editing. And on the right side of this, for example, to enter image, video, sound, and others. And the last part at the bottom is the timeline. Next, how to add videos to projects on Kinemaster. 1. Select the option Media Browser. If you are finished with the project that you have created, you can add video by selecting the Media Browser option, like this. 2. Select Cool Video. Next will appear in the form of a list of video that we have been stored on Android. You can choose which video you want to edit for fun, and when choosing, you can also select the video to be edited. It can be more than one kind of video. For example, I choose 3 video. 1, 2, and 3. Like this. Video appears in project. The video that you have selected will appear in the project that will be processed. Next, how to cut video on Kinemaster. First, please select the video to be cut using the application. I select this. 2. Mark in yellow. Please mark the video in yellow for the part to be cut, like this, yellow. And 3. Select the scissor icon. Select the scissor logo on the editor menu, like this. I choose this. 4. Tap logo with check mark. like this. Next, how to edit background in Kinemaster. 1. Select audio option. The way to include sounds in a project is to enter several types of songs or other music genre that you like. Then you select the audio option. 2. Select audio file. Then a list of your song file will appear, which will later be selected as the video background. Like this, I select audio. For example, I choose background. 3. Tap logo plus. In the list of songs, please select and click the plus logo and then click the check mark. Plus logo like this and click the check mark. 4. Select speaker option. If you want to remove your default voice that is on the video, you can click on the video like this. Then select the speaker option like this. Then the editor menu will appear for the sound like this. If you want to mute the sound, you can also select the speaker option again like this. For example, I mute this video. Okay. Next, how to add text in Kinemaster. 1. Select the layer option. In the video, there are certainly not people who want the video to be more interesting, namely adding text to the video. You just have to select the layer option. Select the layer option like this. 2. Select the text option. Text. For example, YouTube channel. 3. Adjust the font like this. For example, I choose font bebas no bold like this. 4. Adjust font color. In addition, please adjust the font color that you think matches with the video. I choose white color. And then click check mark. Then you can add animation to enter animation for text like this, and then click animation, masuk. Example memudar. Dan kalian juga bisa mengatur kecepatannya like this. Example, I choose 1. When it's finished, you just have to save the video by clicking the up arrow in the upper right corner. This. If so, please choose the resolution and bitrate of the video you want to save. For example, I chose FHD 1080p and 30 Mbps. The bigger the resolution and bits you save, the bigger the file size will be. For example, I use a resolution of 1080p, a frame rate of 30 Mbps or 30 Mbps, and the bit is about 10 Mbps. If you have clicked on export, wait a minute until export finished. Then I think the result will be like this.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just heard you found the one you've been looking for. I wish I would have known that wasn't me. 'Cause even after all this time I still wonder why I can't move on just the way.
So, there are the tips and tricks on how to use Kinemaster on Android. How? Easy, fast, and also practical, right? Don't forget to practice it at home. See you in the next video. Greetings Farhan channel. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.